Yo guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a prank script that makes your PC go crazy with pop-ups. This is for educational purposes, so don't run it on someone else's computer without their consent. And yeah, it's pretty fun, and also you can change the how much pop-ups will show on your computer. But you don't go with too much because it will be crazy. Okay, so make a new text document, then go to this video's description and copy the code, but say pop-up message. Then save this as pop-up message VBS, because then it won't run correctly. Everything is important here. The pop-up and the message is the most important, but the VBS is also super important. Okay, and now we're making the controls pop-ups. So this is the code, and you're going to change it to 20 and 5. We will change this later because I will explain everything later. Okay, so file, save as. Now this is very important. Control pop up dot VBS. And no. I did this wrong. VBS. Okay. There we go. And then just run it. And this is how you have to delete it all and over and over. Okay, you can also do something like this. Right click this and then just close all windows. Okay, and now let's move to the explaining part. So basically here we change how much pop-ups will generate. So I can change it to, let's say, 40 or 10. Let's change it to 10. And pop-up count, this is how much generates, I think, like per something. I'm not sure. Look. Yes, now I have only 10 of these. But now, be careful, because if you put like 100 here, you will have a lot of closing. But like, I mean, you can handle 100, but I mean, like, because once I did with my friend 99,000, and the RAM overloaded, and we have to restart the computer. And so look, there are a lot of these windows now. So there's a huge shadow there. So I had to close this because I'm also lagging. Okay, and here you can change the text to, for example, say hi. But don't go more than one line because it has to fit in the MsgBox, and then if it doesn't fit, it will show an error. But okay, so basically I just made a mistake, and yeah. Also, I sometimes play with this and build some walls on my computer with this. Yeah, and I think that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe and share this with your friends. It will very help me out. I will make a more extreme version of this. Also remember, don't go too far with this, because if you make some you know crazy things, for example in this, like you put like 500, what's gonna happen. I will just run this for you, but don't do this. No. As I said, don't run this. It took me a while to delete this, and it overloaded my RAM and I was lagging a lot. So don't go too crazy. Okay, bye. See you next time.